What if I told you you could pay thousands of dollars up front just to slightly lower your mortgage payment? Sounds smart or sounds like a trap? Because this one decision, mortgage points, can either save you a lot of money or cost you more than you realize. Friends, what's going on? I'm Brad Reynolds, Think Nashville, Think Brad, and today we're breaking down mortgage points in plain English. No banker talk, no confusion. If you're buying a home and the lender starts talking about buying down your rate, this is the video you need to watch before you make that decision. And if you've got deeper questions after this, I'll connect you with my lender partner, my man, Kevin Kennerson over at Lending Hand Mortgage, who is celebrating their 20th anniversary this year, so props to them. So let's go. So what are mortgage points? All right, here's the simple version. Mortgage points are also called discount points, or basically prepaid interest. You pay more money up front at closing in exchange for a lower interest rate over the life of your loan. Spoiler alert, get the seller to do it. You shouldn't, but we'll come back to that. 1 point equals 1% of the loan amount, and it usually equals your rate by about 25 basis points or 0.25. So yes, you are literally paying money now to hopefully save money later. Let's make this real. You're buying a home. The loan amount is $350,000. We don't worry about the purchase price. $1,350 or 1%. And your rate will drop. Let's say it's 6.5 and it gets it down to 6.25. So yeah, your monthly payment goes down. Sounds great, but there's more to the story. Really, why are mortgage points used? You're probably asking yourself this question. There are really two reasons people do this. Number one, a lower monthly payment. Lower rate equals lower payment. Simple. Number two, long-term savings. Over time, that low rate can save you thousands in interest, but only if you keep the loan long enough. Make sure you look into what's called a payback period. We won't talk about that, but it's something to understand. This is where people get it wrong. The part that almost nobody talks about. It's called your break-even point or payback period. That's how long it takes for your monthly savings to equal what you paid up front. So how about a quick example? You spend $3,500 on points, you save $60 per month. It's going to take you years, roughly with that example, about 60 months, roughly 5 years to pay back. So if you move before then, if you refinance or sell before that, you didn't save money, you actually lost it. Should you buy mortgage points? Here's the honest answer. Sometimes yes, and sometimes absolutely not. You should consider it if this is your long-term home. You plan to stay 7 to 10 years or more, and you want payment stability. Be careful, if you may move soon, you may refinance, or you'll need that cash elsewhere. We touched on that earlier. Payback period, payback period, payback period. Smart questions to ask yourself are going to include, how long am I staying here? Do I refinance later? Is this the best use of my cash right now? Again, we're talking about this holistically over and over and over again. Payback period is so important because sometimes that money would be better used for a bigger down payment, emergency savings, home improvements, or just breathing room. Life's expensive. You got to have money on hand to pay for it. So what is the biggest mistake that buyers make? Here's the trap. Focusing only on monthly payment. That's how people get sold, because two loans can look similar month to month but be completely different in total cost once you factor in points, fees, time, etc. Now we're at the end of the beginning, as that popular song says recently. At the end of the day, mortgage points aren't necessarily good or bad. So imagine yourself, you're at the closing table, you're excited, the house is about to be yours. At the end of the day, mortgage points aren't necessarily good or bad, they're just a tool. The key is knowing exactly when they make sense for you. My man Kevin Kennerson and I were really good at helping clients make the most logistical informed decision here. Thank you for tuning in, whether you're a first-time watcher or a long-time watcher. Hopefully you're not a stalker. Also, we would love to work with you. Kevin Kennerson, myself, we pride ourselves on knowing the numbers. They're the best team in town in Middle Tennessee. They have ranked number 1 or number 2 in closed loans almost every year for the past few years. I don't refer bad people. They are great people. So when you need them and you need me and you're ready to buy a home, reach out. Our contact info is below. We would love to hear from you. Think Nashville, think Brad. See you soon.